Can a free indicator really predict profitable trades? Today, I'm putting that question to the ultimate test. I'll be executing every single signal this indicator generates. No cherry picking, no skipping losses. Just raw, unfiltered results. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly whether this tool can help you make better trading decisions or if it's just another false promise. Before we continue, here's an important reminder. Trading involves significant risk, and you can lose money. Never trade with funds you cannot afford to lose, and always practice proper risk management. What I'm showing you today is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. I've already recorded all the trades, and I'll show you the complete breakdown. Wins, losses, and everything in between. But before we dive into the results, let me quickly walk you through the exact strategy rules I followed. So here's how the strategy works. First, I'm using 1-minute candles on the charting platform and placing trades with a 5-minute expiration. The indicator gives two types of signals, dots and arrows. The dots appear first as an early warning. But here's the key. Never trade on the dot itself. Wait for the arrow. If a buy or sell arrow appears on the next candle after the dot, that's your confirmation signal. Enter your trade as soon as that arrow candle closes. But there's one more filter you absolutely cannot ignore. Support and resistance levels. Only take the trade if price is sitting at or very near a key level. This filter alone will save you from countless bad signals. I'm also trading only during the European and New York sessions and avoiding any major news events. All of these indicators are completely free, and I've included the download links in the description below. Now let's see how this strategy performed in real market conditions. Now, let me show you a critical mistake that I intentionally made for educational purposes. This is exactly what not to do, and it perfectly demonstrates why following the strategy rules is absolutely essential. Here on the chart, you can see I noticed a dot signal appearing on the candle. Price was sitting near a resistance level, and I could see the indicator showing a potential opportunity. But here's where I broke my own rules. Instead of waiting for the arrow confirmation on the next candle, I jumped in immediately and placed a sell position with my standard investment. The moment I clicked that button, I already knew I had violated the strategy. No arrow had appeared yet. I was trading on emotion and anticipation, not confirmation. This is one of the most common mistakes traders make, and I wanted to show you exactly what happens when you ignore the rules. As the position progressed, you can see the timer counting down. Just seconds in, and the position is already deep in the negative. The profit that was briefly showing has completely reversed. Price is moving against me, and there's nothing I can do now except wait for the expiration. This is the uncomfortable reality of trading without proper confirmation. You're sitting there watching the position go against you, knowing you could have avoided this entire situation by simply waiting for the arrow signal. And here's the final result. The position closed as a complete loss. The screen shows exactly what happens when you don't follow the strategy. This wasn't bad luck. This wasn't the indicator failing. This was me deliberately breaking the rules to show you the consequences. The strategy clearly states you must wait for the arrow confirmation before entering any position. If I had followed that rule, I would never have placed this trade in the first place, and this loss would have been completely avoided. This is why discipline matters more than any indicator. The tool can give you perfect signals, but if you don't follow the rules, you will lose. It's that simple. Now let me show you a proper trade setup that followed every single rule of the strategy. This is exactly how the system is supposed to work when you execute it correctly. Looking at the chart, I spotted a dot signal appearing on the candle, and immediately I could see that price was testing a key resistance level. But here's the crucial difference from the earlier mistake. This time, I didn't rush in. I waited patiently for the confirmation. On the very next candle, the indicator generated a clear sell arrow signal, and that was my green light. As soon as that arrow candle closed, I placed my sell position with my standard investment amount. Everything was aligned perfectly. The arrow confirmation was there, price was at resistance, and I was trading during the active session. This is what proper trade execution looks like. As the position moved forward, I could see price starting to drop exactly as anticipated. The timer is counting down, and the position is already showing positive movement in my favor. This is the feeling you get when you follow the rules. You're not sitting there anxiously hoping for a reversal. You're confident because you waited for confirmation, you respected the support and resistance filter, and you entered at the right moment. The trade is playing out smoothly, and the expected profit is building steadily. And here's the final result. The position closed successfully in profit. This is what happens when you combine patience with discipline. The indicator gave the signal, I followed the strategy rules exactly as outlined, and the market rewarded that patience. Here's another setup that followed the strategy rules perfectly. Once again, I spotted a dot signal appearing on the chart, and price was clearly positioned near a key resistance level. I held back and waited for the confirmation signal to appear. On the very next candle, a clear sell arrow appeared, giving me the green light to enter. As soon as that arrow candle closed, I placed the sell position with my standard investment. This is the discipline that separates profitable traders from those who keep losing. You wait for confirmation, you respect the levels, and you only enter when everything aligns. As the position progressed through its expiration period, I could see price moving in the right direction. The timer is counting down, and the expected profit is building exactly as planned. This is the third time you're seeing this pattern play out in this video. Signal appears, confirmation comes through, position moves in our favor. This isn't random chance. This is what happens when you follow a system consistently without letting emotions take over. The position is performing well, and the strategy is doing exactly what it was designed to do. And there it is. Another winning position closed successfully. Now let me show you the complete results from today's testing session. I executed a total of 6 positions, 5 closed in profit, and 1 closed in loss. But remember, that one losing position was the trade where I deliberately broke the rules by not waiting for arrow confirmation. When I followed the strategy rules perfectly, the indicator delivered 5 wins out of 5 setups. So can this free indicator actually help you in binary trading? Yes, but only if you follow the rules. Wait for the arrow confirmation, trade near support and resistance levels, stick to the active sessions, and avoid major news events. If you found this honest testing helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All the indicator download links are in the description below, completely free. The tool is only as good as your discipline. Trade smart, follow the rules, and I'll see you in the next video.